أتعبين عما نعمة أتعبين عما نعمة نينا نانا كي حي سلام قدريتي أي كي حي سلام قدريتي لبي وسيلة في حدليتي لك سكرانك يا غبكي لقوة وسما يسغكي نانيي نانيي تمنعنا ميي نعنا ميي بقع الميي نانيي ቀናል መንገድ ባይኖት ምን ያደርጋል እንሶ ስላኩሉ ይበቃ የለሞይ ወሎዬ መባሉ ነካሮዬ 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 ካሮዬ ካሮዬ ነካሮዬ ካሮዬ ካሮዬ ለቀማ ፈንጭትሽናየው ፈገግ ስትይማ ይርቀ ኮምቦልቻ ደሴ ወይ ቦረና እኔም እንደነሱ
መቼም አልጠግብሽ ባይሽ የልቤ ምርጫ አንቺ ስለሆንሽ እስከ ዘላለም ሌላ ማላይ ሽልማቴ ነሽ ከላይ ከላይ ሳቂ ተጫወች ምን እንዳይሉ ተዋደዱ ነው ሌላ ይሉ ምንም ጭንቀትሽን እንዳይኔ ከኔ ጋር ነሽ ፍቅር የኔ ፈታ በይ ፈታ ፈታ ውዴ ዛሬ ነሽ ከኔ ጋር ፈታ በይ ፈታ ፈታ ውዴ ዛሬ ነሽ ከኔ ጋር ፈታ በይ ፈታ ፈታ ውዴ ዛሬ ነሽ ከኔ ጋር ፈታ በይ ፈታ ፈታ ውዴ ዛሬ ነሽ ከኔ ጋር ጉልፈቱን ተይውና ሳቂ ተጫወት ነይ ተነሺና ከኔ በላይ ነው የምወድሽ ደስ ሳይልሽ ሙች አለቀሽ ፈታ በይ ፈታ ፈታ ውዴ ዛሬ ነሽ ከኔ ጋር
አሳ መሳይ ናት አሳ መሳይ እኔስ ከልዳለው በሷ ጉዳይ የደም ገንቦ ነሽ ያገሬ ሰው ፍቅርሽ ልቤን ይዞ ወዘወዘው እንደነኛ እንደናጅር አጥቄሽ ብዙ እንደ ዘናር አኒነካኝ አንቺ ፎቅሬ አሊሻም ሸንጓ አሊሻም ዳኛ አንቺ የመጣ የሞከረኛ ጀግና ነኝ አለ የሞከረኛ ሞት የሸተተ የሞከረኛ 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 ተውቶ አጀሬ መታ ጎበዞ አራና ጎበዞ ጎበዞ አራና ጎበዞ አፋፍ ላይ ቆማ በለው ትላለች የፈሪ ወዳጅ ታስታውቃለች አፋፍ ላይ ቆማ አምልጥ ትላለች ኧረ ጎበዝ ጎበዝዬ ኧረ ጎበዝ ጎበዜዋ ሙዛሙዜ ነይ ነይ ሙዛሙዜ ሙዛሙዜ ነይ ነይ ሙዛሙዜ ሙዛሙዜ ሙዝ ነይ ሙዝ ነኝ አልሽው ሙዛሙዜ የታል ሙዝነትሽ ሙዛሙዜ ብቻሽን እያደርሽ ሙዛሙዜ እንደ ልጅነትሽ የለመደው ጀግና የለመደው የለመደው ጀግና የለመደው የለመደው ጠንጃታ በረንዳ እንዳ ቶቶ የለመደው ጅንጉርጉር ነው ቦታ የለመደው ሰው ልታጋድለው የለመደው ነገሩን ላባቷ አረ ጎበዝ ጎበዝዬ የጀግና ወዳጅ ታስታውቃለች አፋፍ ላይ ቆማ በለው ትላለች የፈሪ ወዳጅ ታስታውቃለች አፋፍ ላይ ቆማ አምልጥ ትላለች ኧረ ጎበዝ ጎበዝዬ ኧረ ጎበዝ ጎበዜዋ እና በለው እና በለው እና በለው እና በለው አራጅሬ እንደምን ነው ለጀግንነትማ ወትሮሚያ አባቴ ነው ወርቆመ እነሳቱን እያወቅኩት ባንቺ ነው እና በለው አራጅሬ እንደምን ነው ጎበዙ መራና ጎበዙ
አለስኪ ተስወዶ ይለወሽ አለወሽ ባህልኛ በልቃቲ ሞሊ በሩመው ሚደንቅ ሴራኛ ታነኛ ዛኘሊ ማጣሂ በዛካቻ ማሌ አርዴ ተቂበሌው ባስወዶ ባለም ቦይ ዘማሌ 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 እየጌሰብ ዘማሌ 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 ገየትም የሻሌ ዘማሌ ኬሪያስ ላይ ኬራገረ በከረቡ ቢብሌ መላ ደረስኩለት አሴ ሁሴናላ ወዮ መላ ዘማሌ 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 ነሻከ ዘማሌ ተሻሌ ዘማሌ 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 ስትሆ ዘማሌ ይረግጥም ዘሜ ልቃት ይሞሊ በሩመው ይደንቅ ሴራኛ ታነኛ ዛኘሊ ማጣሂ በዛካቻ ማሌ አርዴት ተቂበለው ባስወዶ ባለም ቆይ ዘማሌ 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 እየገሰው ዘማሌ 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 ገየትም የሻሌ ዘማሌ
የዛሬው ዕለት በጣም ለየት የሚል ቀን ነው። በጣም ደስ ብሎናል። እንኳን ደህና መጣችሁልን። እንኳን የደስታችን ተካፋችሁ ሆናችሁ ሁልጊዜ ከአጠገባችን የማትለዩት ሁላችሁንም እያመሰገንን በዚች አጋጣሚ ሁላችንም ለዚች ቦታ ለዚች ቀን እዚህ ጋር እንድንደርስ ያደረገንን አምላካችን ፈጣሪያችንና ወንድማችንን ካጠገባችን የሌለውን አህመድ በርሄን እያመሰገንን ነፍሱን ይማር እያልን እናስበዋለን። ከዚህ በመቀጠል ሳርዬን እንኳን ለዚህ ያበቃሽ፣ እንኳንስ አያቶችሽ በዚህ ቀን ተገኝተው አንቺ ግራጁዌሽን በመገኘታቸው ከኢትዮጵያ ድረስ በብዙ ውጣ ውረድ መጥታችሁ ለግራጁዌሽን አክብራችሁን ስለመጣችሁ እያመሰገንን ጠሪዎቻችን የተጠራችሁትም በአጭር ጊዜ ጥሪ ስለመጣችሁልን እናመሰግናለን። ከዚህ ቀደም የነበረው ፕሮግራማችን በኦገስት ፈርስት ስለነበረ አሁን ደግሞ አሳጥረ ነው በጁን 27 በማድረጋችንና በአጭር ጊዜ ስለመጣችሁልን ዝግጅታችንን ደግሞ ባለቤቴ በዚህ በአጭር ጊዜ በ3 ቀንና በ4 ቀን ባልሞላ ጊዜ ውስጥ ያዘጋጀችው ብል ማጋነን አይሆንብኝም እና በጣም እናመሰግናለን። ባለቤቴንም አመሰግናታለሁ። በጣም ጠንካራ በጣም ጎበዝ ሴት በመሆኗ የውጤት ሰው በመሆኗ በወላጆቿ ፊት አመሰግናታለሁ። እና ባለቤቴ ዱላ አብዶ እወድሻለሁ። እስከ የመጨረሻ አብሬሽ ሆነን በዚህ የመሳሰሉ ልጆች ስለፈቀሽኝ አመሰግናለሁ። ወላጆቿንም አመሰግናለሁኝ። ልጃችሁን ስለሰጣችሁን እነኚህን የልጅ ልጆች አደረሰን ሰጥተናችኋል፣ አሳይተናችኋል። እንኳን ለዚህ ደስታ አበቃችሁ። እናመሰግናለን ስለመጣችሁልን። ሁላችሁንም እንወዳችኋለን። ከዚህ በመቀጠል ሳራ እናቴ ባለቤቴ ሉላ ትናገራለች። ከዛ ቀጥሎ ደግሞ ሳርዬ ኮንግራጁሌሽን አይ ላቭ ዩ።
በጣም አመሰግናለሁ ሁላችሁንም። በጣም ከመጀመሪያ እስከ መጨረሻ ማለት ነው እና
በተጨማሪ ማመስገን የምፈልገው ባለፈውን ጊዜ አሁንም ይሄንን ዲኮር እና ስፔሻሊ ካለፈው ዓመት አሁንም የሰራችውን ማሂን አድቨርታይዝ ማድረጋለሁ። አመሰግናለሁ። በተረፈ ግን ሁሉንም ነገር አብራችሁን ሆናችሁ ያገዛችሁንም ያላገዛችሁንም እናመሰግናችኋለን። ስለተገኛችሁልንም ስላገዛችሁንም እግዚአብሔር ይስጥልን፣ እግዚአብሔር ያክብርልን። አሜን። ያው በወንድማችን ምክንያት መናገር ስላልቻለ ይቅርታ እንጠይቃለን። ይሄን አንደርስታንድ እንደምታደርጉልን እሺ። ሳር እየተናገረ
First and foremost, I want to say congratulations to Sarah. Thank you for Mahi, everybody cooked the food, and did the decoration. I would thank my grandparents for coming all the way from Ethiopia. It's really hard to get here.
Thank you.
I didn't really get to know my grandparents that much, but I understand like where they're coming from and how they. They built how my mom is right now, and I'm really grateful. My grandmother gave her the love and the compassion for others. My grandfather gave her the strength and the will to keep on pushing after every obstacle. And I'm really grateful for that. Sarah, congratulations again. I'm really proud of you. I'm thankful to give it every single ride, every single to school, to work, to every graduation party you go to. I'm really grateful. I know I'm one call away, but it's better you call them mom and dad first, you know? Now you're gonna be teaching people to how to speak if they're having any struggles for speech, and I'm really grateful that you're there to stand up for those who can.
Yeah, Nati! Congratulations to Sarah, because I know she worked hard, and she's always been a good sister to me, and I'm really proud, and I'm thankful to have her, and I thank God for giving her the path to get there, and I'm really proud, and I hope for the best.
First of all, of course, I just want to thank everyone who came here today.
You're welcome.
Thanks. Okay. Thank you to everyone who came here today. I know it was on such short notice, so I really appreciate all of you guys being here today. It wouldn't be possible without you guys. I wanted to thank God, of course, not only for me and everything I was able to achieve, but for my parents and being able to come here and give me a better life. Thank you everyone who else came and helped set up, cook, clean. I want to start saying names, but I don't want to forget anyone, so I appreciate all of you guys. To my grandparents, I love you guys so much. I'm so happy you guys came this far to celebrate, and I'll never forget this. To my mom, my best friend, and she is the biggest light in my life. Everyone knows I'm very happy all the time, and that's because she's the happiest person I've ever met. My mom never gets mad at me unless I don't do the dishes or clean my room. But besides that, she's very loving and very kind, and she treats our whole family very gently, so I really appreciate that. And not only through the way she raised us, but in her career too. All she does is care for others, and I really appreciate to have a mother like this. My dad, my biggest supporter. My dad, we've spent so much time together when my mom's working or when I'm doing schoolwork or he's taking me somewhere. My dad has believed in me always more than I believed in myself. And even though he does push me and he makes me tough, he's always doing it for the better to push me to my fullest ability. And I really appreciate that. You push me to my full potential even though I don't. I know you'll always be there for me. I love you so much. Nati. No, I'm kidding. My older brother, words can't describe our relationship, literally. Nobody knows me more than he does. Nobody knows how to make me mad more than him. Nobody knows how to make me laugh more than him. Having somebody so close in age, we're almost like twins, it means the world. Like, he was my first friend, and I will forever have a friend. And I'm so grateful for that. He's made my life so much easier, not only just in the house, but in school. I remember when I was younger, my Nati would be doing schoolwork, and my dad would take me and make me do it with him, and that's the only reason I would be good in school was because my dad would make me do it with my brother. And just having someone one step ahead just made everything so much easier knowing what to expect. Jacob! My little brother, my best friend, basically I treat him like he's my son. He's all of this in one person. I love this kid more than literally anybody else in this world. I love him so much. When my mom was pregnant with Jacob, before we knew the gender, I don't think I've ever prayed more in my life for it to be a sister. But now that I have Jacob, I wouldn't trade him for the world. I wouldn't trade him for a million sisters. He's seriously my best friend, and I feel so maternal towards him, and I'm gonna miss you so much, and I wish you could drive yourself and come visit me at school, but unfortunately we're gonna have to wait a little bit. Seeing you grow has been the best thing ever, and I'm sad that now when he's gotten so funny I have to leave. I've been saying that, but yeah, I really appreciate it. And it breaks my heart that I'm leaving all of them, but I'm happy I'm staying close, and I love you guys so much. My friends, you guys mean honestly the world to me, like more than I can describe. You guys, like not having sisters, like I've never been able to connect with girls as much as you guys. Like I literally trust these girls with my life. I love all of you so much. All of you guys, I love you. And, all of these girls I grew up with from the day I was born. I've been around them. The guys too. Shout out Jeremiah. I wouldn't be going to this school if it wasn't for him. I applied because of him. I got in because of him. I picked my classes because of him. And I appreciate everyone who came here today. These girls have, even though we only see each other during graduations over the summer, it's like we've seen each other every single day. And I will never forget the memories that we have, and I will cherish them literally forever. And I'm not going to say I hope we stay friends forever, because I know we will. And I just seriously, like, I love you guys all so much, everyone here today. It makes me so happy that all of you guys came out of your way here today. Sorry, this is a long speech, but I really appreciate all of you guys. Every single person in this tent, whatever, has contributed something to my family that helped me become and help our family become the person I am today, and I really appreciate it. And my parents, my family, my grandparents, I love you guys with my life, more than my life. You guys worked so hard. Everyone here too, you guys struggled, you guys immigrated, you guys left the only home you knew to come and build a better life for kids that you haven't even had yet, you haven't even met them yet, and you're already building the best life for us as possible. And I hope I can make you prouder than you can be proud, and I hope to work just as hard, as even harder than I am right now, to give you guys the life that you worked for me for. So thank you everyone, I love you all so much.
በመቆሜ በጣም አዝኛለሁ። እንደዛ መሆን አልነበረብኝም። ምክንያቱም አሁን በአንድ እግሬ ነው የቆምኩት። ወንድሜን በማጣቴ በጣም ተሰምቶኛል እና ይቅርታ አድርጉልኝ። ብዙ ማውራት ነበረብኝ፣ ብዙ መናገር ነበረብኝ። ከልጅ ልጆቼ ጎናችሁ ቆማችሁ የተቻላችሁትን ሁሉ በማድረጋችሁ በጣም ከፍ ያለ ምስጋና አቀርባለሁ። ለእያንዳንዳችሁ ላድርግ የሚችለው ጸሎት ብቻ ነው። እድሜና ጤና ይስጣችሁ። አመሰግናለሁ።
One more thing, my best friend, my second dad, my uncle Amni, he was the best person ever to our whole family, and none of this would be possible without him. How many times he's taken care of me, I can't even describe everything he's done for us. He was like a best friend, a dad. He was literally everything of a person, and I'm so sorry that, and I feel so sorry for us that he couldn't be here with us today, but I'm not going to be upset because I know this is everything he could have wanted it for, and I know he's here watching. So, thank you.
My name is Faven, and I wanted to share a few things about Sarah. We met when we were just little girls and have been the best of friends since then, with memories from going to the same school at one point, to matching clothes or doing performances, to her graduation now, which I hope we continue to do throughout our lives. Sarah, I'm so blessed to have such a selfless friend like you. You are so caring, dedicated, and of course the most funniest person I know. ISU is so lucky to have someone so driven. Don't forget to call me or text me if you need anything, whether it be about school or just life in general. I wish you nothing but the absolute best in your journey to come in these next couple of years. And I pray that God continues to guide you and bless you in every way. I love you, and I can't wait to celebrate your many successes. Congratulations, and I leave you with this verse, Psalm chapter 20, verse 4. May he grant you according to your heart's desire and fulfill all your purpose. Thank you.
I'm so grateful to be here and be friends with you and be best friends with you. Sarah's the funniest person I know. She gets all my jokes. We have like a million inside jokes. She's like my best friend. I love her so much. I'm so sad we're gonna be 7 hours away from each other, but I know that we'll call and we'll keep in touch often. So I love you so much. I'm so proud of you. Go Redbird! Yeah! Okay, my name is Melat.
One thing I would say about Sarah, I think I would say I have two definitions for her. I would say energetic and soft. I say that because Sarah is someone who you can go to with all your problems and she'll listen. She'll be an ear on your side, a shoulder to cry on, someone to just be there for you. But at the same time, she'll be the most energetic person in the room. The one jumping, the one making the noise, the one making the jokes. She's the one where you go to, where you want to laugh, where you want to have someone next to you. And that's what I love about Sarah. She'll be your person to cry on, to be your person to laugh with. And she'll be there with you no matter what. No matter if you're not feeling it, no matter if she's not feeling it, she'll be there for you. Every time I've seen Sarah, I've left with the biggest laughter I could have. And I know that ISU is more than lucky to have you. We'll keep in touch, I know for sure. She's one of my best friends and I love you so much.
Oh, I love you, Sarah!
But I want you to know, for real, enjoy this, but now your real life begins. She's my neighbor, I want y'all to know she's my neighbor now. And now I'm gonna push her to be her best. She's gonna be great. Mariam!
First, I want to say congratulations. Even though I wasn't alive when you were a kid, I still have, when I look through the basement, I always have pictures of you, Ruth, Marlon, and Timby all together. Yeah, just congratulations.
Thank you.
معلك أبال جايدو مالك عديو معلك أصعق فيدو مالك
ስናከብር ደስ ብሎናል። የ10 የልጅ ልጆች አያት ናቸው። እንኳን ለዚህ ያበቃችሁ ደስ ብሎናል። እድሜያችሁን ከዚህ በኋላ ይቀጥለው፣ እድሜ ይስጥልን። ልጆቻችንን ሁሉንም ለዚህ ላደረሳችሁልን እናመሰግናለን። እንኳን ደስ አላችሁ።
አባቴ ስፔሻሊ በትምህርት ቀልድ አያውቅም። ገንዘብ ስንጠይቅ ለምንሽ ነው የሚለውና አንዳንድ ጊዜ ለቅባት ወይ ለሆነ ነገር ከፈለግን ደብተር መግዣ ነው ብለን ነው ገንዘብ የሚሰጠንና ለጫማ ካልን እኔ ባዶ እግሬ ሄጄ ነው የተማርኩት ነው የሚለውና ለትምህርት ትልቅ ክብር ነው ያለው። ሁሉ ጊዜ እዚህ ሀገር ስመጣ አንደኛ ማስጠንቀቂያ ሰጠኝ፣ ሜክ ሹር ዩ ለርን ሰምቲንግ ኤቭሪ ዴይ። ስማር ፊት ለፊት እሱን ነው የማስታውሰው። በቃ እሱን እንዳስደስተው ቅድድም ነበር ያስኩት እና ያውና ለዚህ በመብቃቴ ደስ ብሎኛል። ከስራ ለማንም ብዬ ቀርቼ አላቅም። ይቅርታ መጠየቅ ፈልጋለሁ። ለማንም ብዬ ከስራ ቀርቼ አላቅም። እረዳለሁ ሰውን እንጂ ስራ ቀርቼ አላቅም እና አሳያችሁኝ። ሁላችሁም ከስራ እየቀራችሁ ፍቅራችሁን ሼር ያደረጋችሁ ጓደኞቼ፣ ደስታዬ ያስደሰታችሁ ጓደኞቼ፣ ስም መጥራት አያስፈልግም። ማን እንደሆነ ሁላችሁም ታውቁታላችሁ። የልብ ምስጋና ለዘላለም ከልጆቻችሁ ጋር ከቤተሰባችሁ ጋር ቤታችሁ ደስታ እንዲገባ ዛሬ ቤቴ ደስታ እንደገባ ቤታችሁ ደስታ ይባላለሁ። አመሰግናለሁ።
ወሰንሽ ሰማይ ይሁን እስከ ዘስካይ ቢየር ሊሚት እያልኳት ነበር የምናገራትና የማበረታታት። እሷም አላሳፈረችኝም። በእውነቱ ከመጀመሪያው ጀምሮ ከኤጂ ያለች ትምህርት ቤት እና እኔና እናቷ ተጠርተን አስተማሪው ዳይሬክተሩ ፈረንሳዊ ነው። ምናልባት የድሬዳዋ ልጆች ታውቁት ይሆናል። ትምህርት ቤቱን አሊያንስ ትምህርት ቤት ነው። ጠረጴዛ ላይ አቆማትና ከምስጋና ጋራ እኛን አመስግኖ ሸለማት። ምንም ያደረኩላት ነገር የለም። በራሷ በጥረቷ ነው የተማረችው። እንደ ሰራተኛም እንደ ልጅም ሆና አገልግላ ነው እዚህ ደረጃ የደረሰችው። በእውነቱ በአሁኑ ሰዓት በአንድ እግሬ ብቻ የቆምኩ ነው የሚመስለኝ። ለምን ወንድሜን እኔ ወለድኳት እንጂ አላሳደግኳትም እና እሱንም አላህ በሰማይ በገነት ያኖርልኝ። ምንም ማድረግ አይቻልም። ሁላችሁንም በጣም አድርጌ አመሰግናችኋለሁ። ደስታና ፍስሐ በቤታችሁ ይግባ። ክፉአችሁን አንስማ። ደስታችሁን አላህ ያስብልን። በተቻለ መጠን ህብረታችሁን፣ አንድነታችሁን፣ እህትና ወንድማማችነታችሁን አክብራችሁ አጠንክራችሁ እዚህ ደረጃ ስላደረሳችሁልኝ ልጄ ስሜታዊ ነው የምሆነውና አዝናለሁኝ። ብዙ ተናግሬ ያላስደሰትኳችሁም። በደፈ አጠገቧ እህቷ ማለች፣ አጠገቧ እናንተም አላችሁ። ክፉ አይንካችሁ ሁላችሁ።
How much effort she puts into me and my brothers. My grandma, I can see through my mom's love how much joy and happiness and just how caring and loving, how much of a kind person she is. So even though directly I don't see it from them all the time, I see it every time I am with them, and I see it through my mom every day.
Hello. ያሸነፍኩላት ከዛሬው በላይ ነገር የሚጣፍጥ ሙሽራ ሁሌም አበባ የማይተወልቅ በረክ
عقدان مالي برقع زوري عقدان مالي برقع زوري دان مالي ودان مالي من